And now we are in a very important moment of the planet, that mankind is ready, not as individuals, but as a single unity, to receive in it the entire consciousness of the Christ. No longer individually, the Christ in me is my soul. And my soul, when descends, generates love. But in a planetary level, the conscious, the second coming of the Christ, is no longer specifically into this or that person, is into the entire planet. Is the descent of the Christ into the entire planet. And when that happens, you have a planet of ascended matter that irradiated to the entire universe the Holy Spirit, or love.